Well guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. Welcome to Hartung Family Farms. Today it's Sunday the 11th, and we're gonna go combine. But first, Piggy! Hi Piggy! Hi Piggy! This is Renee's show pig, I believe. Hi. No, you will not eat this GoPro. Hi Piggy! Good piggy. Good piggy. I forgot what its name was, but it's cute regardless. And it's like a pet. It follows you because it thinks I have food. See? Bye, piggy. Anyway, I'm filling up with fuel right now. I'm gonna take fuel down to the combine up in Bellevue. We got rolling around 8 o'clock this morning. So I'm gonna go bring them fuel and we're gonna keep going. Alrighty guys, just rolling up to the Bellevue farm. So we are way behind right now. I got fuel, but I think I'm just gonna leave this truck here and fuel up a little later. We're waiting on trucks. Nathan has been for the last 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna go in there and hop in a truck and get rolling if there's one sitting full for me. But I think I just see the grain cart loading on the road up ahead. Yep, there it is. Hey, there's the Geringhoff. Alrighty guys, this truck's sitting full. Devin's sitting about 3/4 full, so I gotta take off with this because I'm the first truck in the rotation. Oh, I gotta get going. It's sloppy out too, so I gotta hit this thing hard. Real sloppy to get out of here. Stuck. Very stuck. Alrighty guys, a lot has happened. Let's apologize for not getting a GoPro video, but we're kind of under the gun here. So where we're at today, we want to finish 60 acres of hilly ground, which is really slow going, so we got to have a really good long day today. So what happened was I parked this truck in the field last night and let it sit, and it melted. We should have got it out when we got there right away this morning, but we didn't try and get the truck out until 3 hours after we got there, until I got there I should say, and the ground was unthawed and I got stuck. So had to pull the grain cart off to pull me out. Took about 10 minutes just out of the way. We didn't like it, but so anyway, I was kind of a little stressed and I apologize for not getting the GoPro video, but we're in Bellevue right now, unloading behind Devin. Kurt's over there cleaning the skid loader, and we're gonna load. We're gonna have a good day. So I'm gonna basically have some talk in this video, but I'm gonna throw some drone footage on there as well. So wait till Devin gets out of here and we'll get unloaded. Alrighty guys, truck's dumped. We're gonna head up to Bellevue. Let's go! What are you waiting for? Come on, move it! Move it! What's that? Talking with Nathan. Alright, let's head out. Alrighty guys, so we just got up to Bellevue. We're parking in a gracious neighbor's field, just because everywhere else is wet. So we're just gonna wait till we move fields, but for now we're gonna go, Shane and I are gonna go turn on the generator so the cattle have water to drink. That's what we're gonna do now. So we're down at our pond right now. The cornfields are up over this hill, but the cattle still need to drink a lot of water. And when it's frozen like this, we essentially have a little fan device that just moves water and helps break up ice. So that's what we're gonna do right now. It looks like it's all, for the most part, broken.
Alright, that's good then.
Got myself all wet.
This has got to be on. He said you got to turn on the gas for little spots, but...
Well, that looks to me like that's a vent.
It's a gas spot. I have to turn on. Oh, it was just full of air. It had air in it.
There we go.
Line switch would probably help.
So there we go. So that's how my dad keeps this water open. Basically, it's just got a little fan underneath the water. You run the line out to, and it just moves the water around so nothing freezes up. So to try and keep this open, we really only do this during the hard freeze, but so essentially this water will work its way around, get up underneath and on top of this ice that's already sitting there, and it'll start breaking it up, it'll start melting it, because it'll essentially put warmer water up on top of the ice and melt it. So sweet, so that's done. So now we're gonna head down and start moving vehicles. The cows are curious what we were doing. Hi cows. Hey, that's mine. It's the first time I've seen mine. That's 103. Hi cows. That's my first time seeing my cow. Yeah, there's some yellow tags.
Yep, that one's in.
So most of the cattle are out in the cornfield feeding, but some of them are still over here. I think this one is also mine. 48? Eh, maybe not.
We're on the other side.
Shane is saying they're branded. Sweet. So that one is also mine. That's alright. Awesome. Shane just showed me my cows for the first time.
It's actually going faster.
Come on, Bessie! It's working! There's the gearing off sitting all alone. We got better things than you. Heading up on top of the hill. Gonna be following the grain cart. Caught up to the grain cart. Cows.
guys don't know my name is Tate, and I like helping farming. And today,
All right, guys, just move some vehicles around. Now time to feed the cats. One of like 11. Hi, kitty. Feed the cats and feed the cows. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Why are there so many cats here? Oh my gosh. My dad is like a crazy cat lady. There are easily 15 cats here. Hi, kitties. Hi, kitties. Hi, kitties. Hi.
hey, want to go fill up the jugs and put some in here?
Go start that water.
Yeah, Tate, you go start the water. I'll do this. What was that? Alright, so to do our chores for the cattle, we gotta fill a tub up with water, which is what we're doing now. We're just hooking up a hose. We also gotta give them buckets of feed, which is what Samuel and Shane are doing. Here, Tate, can you go down by the water and let me know when it starts coming out?
All you have to do is turn it on.
I know, but what the water's not on. Can you go over there and make sure it's coming out for me?
It is.
You don't go over there, Tate, come on.
Here, I'll turn it on for you.
And I think I gotta go turn the water on. So, oh, water is coming out. Sweet. What are you guys bellowing about? Huh? Yeah. Ooh, 76, you're a good looking calf. They don't like me yet. That'll change. Cow. Look at all these things. They're very loud. So just feeding the cattle right now, giving them some water. Then we head back and take a semi to Preston, sell my dad's corn, or store my dad's corn in town. Show you guys what that scale ticket is too.
Tate, can you grab me two?
I love bucos!
What'd you say, Shane? Feeding the cows. Woo! That's all it gives. And cows are fed. Let's head back.
Oh, I think it broke my leg.
They hungry. Hey, kitty.
Which for
Hi,
Preston?
kitty.
Four-wheelers down this time.
Hi, kitty.
Hi, kitties! You dropped it.
I did.
It's way up there!
Alright, time to head to Preston. Alrighty guys, we're just leaving Bellevue for heading to Preston. It's my dad's corn. First load out of my dad's, so we're gonna head and go store this and see what the moisture and everything is. At the elevator in Preston, selling my dad's grain or storing it here. I'll let you go what we just scaled in, and I'll show you guys the scale ticket when we're done. There's a scale ticket. I'll explain it when I get back to Bellevue.
We're 7-8 minutes away from the farm. Then Ron will explain the ticket.
People say I shift bad.
Why?
I think I'm doing pretty good in the semi.
Does Ron shift bad or is he good?
Gotta keep it out. So Tate, when you're moving.
He has an annoying voice on. God, that's annoying.
Just keep it out.
We're about 3-2 minutes away from the farm now. Say down in the comments if Ron shifts bad.
Alrighty guys, so just sitting up here at Bellevue waiting to get loaded up again one last time, or one more time, two more times.
No,
Two more times tonight. So I'm just going to go through the scale ticket right now. So what we get every time we commercially sell our grain or move it to the store or whatever off our farm, you always get a scale ticket or a receipt for what happened. So what you do is you pull in there, pull on the scales, get a full weight. So when you're loaded, go around, do your thing. They get a sample from you, and then you scale out to get your empty weight. So they take the loaded minus your unloaded weight to get your weight of your grain that you dropped. And that's called your tare, which it's those two numbers right there. I weighed really light, 71,000. Then I ended at 27,000. You gotta watch out. You gotta get in the light. So yeah, so 71,000 for a gross and 27,000 for a tare. So I got a net of 43,000, or basically 44,000. And then how they determine how many bushels you got on there was from that sample, they put it in this thing called a GAC, or a moisture tester, which gets your moisture, which is at 18%, and your test weight, which is at 57.1. So then how they determine your bushels is they take your net weight, which is your 44,000 pounds, or in our case 43,950, divided by your test weight of 57.1, get your bushels, which was 784.82 bushels. And then they're basically just miscellaneous stuff like your hauler, who was it to, and then like what was the field, and etc. So, yeah, so that's what it was on our scale ticket. So we'll go ahead and get a couple more, and that's it's something that we can keep track. So like I said, this is my dad's grain, so my dad's grain they're putting in storage so we can keep track of whose is what.
But Hall puts 2 more things in us. We're gonna be headed up to the store again.
Right. And you're hungry, right?
Yeah.
Why are you hungry?
Because I haven't ate lunch.
Yes, you did. You had a half a cheeseburger.
Not.
And fries.
That was half a cheeseburger. Ron is wrong. Don't ever correct him.
I said half a cheeseburger. I definitely said half a cheeseburger.
I don't know about that.
So we'll wait till we get loaded up one more time, and then we'll head back to Preston.
I don't have makeup on today.
So why would you just fix your hair when I said you're going to be on YouTube?
Well, this is all paper.
Everyone, this is my mother.
She
spends 1 minute in my truck and she starts cleaning it.
Wow, make yourself useful.
Yeah.
Gotta teach these kids something. Obviously didn't teach you.
Thanks, Mom.
So anyway, I had
Here comes Adam pulling in this nice truck.
Look back here. Ron's truck was so dirty, I sat in here for an hour and tried to clean it.
By an hour, he means 30 seconds.
No, I don't, Ron.
running 320.
No, it ain't.
Oh, well, one time.
320?
That's what he said. So it's probably running about 300.
Yeah, because the yield bottom's off. It's pretty good.
He said last year it ran like 180.
What was different?
One
Shame. Oh, I got you. Just got another load to town. Just got up here and Pat's finishing off Devin's truck. So this field yielded a lot better than we thought. We originally thought we were going to be able to finish Bellevue with corn today. It's not going to happen. Got a 4-acre field that's left. So we basically have about 3 acres left in this field, and that's gonna fit on my truck and the grain cart. You can kind of see the combine out there, but there's still a little bit of stuff left. But oh well, we had a good day today. Can't complain. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, I'm actually just finishing up my playtime, waiting for editing videos while I'm waiting for it to get loaded up for the last time for the night. But hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage. Like I said, it's a new thing to my channel. If you guys like it, let me know. If you guys don't like it, let me know. If you want more of, what do you guys want? Would you guys want to see more drone action shots while I'm sorry about that, one sec. Do you guys want to see more drone action shots along with kind of like a day-to-day vlog of activities, or do you want to see separate videos like some action shots, some vlogs like I was doing? Let me know in the comments below, guys. I'd appreciate it. But if you guys did enjoy the video, like I said, let me know if you have any pointers. Drop a comment, shoot me a like, shoot me a message, whatever you want. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Hartung Family Farms. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, and be sure to hit that post notification bell to let you guys know anytime I post a video, which, like I said, it's going to be often, at least every 2 days, because I have a lot of videos and a lot of footage stored up. So I'm looking forward to getting it out for you guys. So, like I said, just getting loaded up for the final time. And I think I'm going to call her a night. So, as always, guys, have a good one, and ta-ta for now.